Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find heads-up display, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass, optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.